Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will crack open your materials and see what they are really made up of. Think of it like giving your catalyst a full medical checkup. Before you test how good your catalyst is, you need to know what it is. Material characterization is the detective work of science. XRD, SEM, XPS, these tools tell us the structure, surface and chemistry behind every reaction. If you can't characterize it, you cannot improve it. Let's decode your material one atom at a time. First comes the SEM, Scanning Electron Microscopy. It is a microscope that uses electrons instead of light to see a material surface. It gives high-resolution images of a surface shape, texture, particle size and cracks. EDX or EDS, the Energy Dispersive X-ray or Spectroscopy. It is a detector that collects X-ray from the sample. It gives us information about the elemental composition and mapping. It tells us what elements are present and where they are on the surface. Next is the SEM-EDX. It is basically an integrated system where EDX and SEM works in pair. TEM, Transmission Electron Microscopy. It shoots electrons through an ultra-thin sample to image it. It gives information about the internal structure, atomic lattice, particle size and effects. SEM sees the surface while TEM sees the inside of the particles. Another important technique is the TGA, thermogravimetric analysis. It heats a sample and weighs it continuously. What we get is the thermal stability, water content and percent loading. If mass drops at 300 degrees centigrade, it means something is decomposed or evaporated. The next is DTA, differential thermal analysis. It measures the temperature difference instead of heat flow. It gives information about the phase transition, melting temperature, crystallization temperature and so on. Raman Spectroscopy. It shines a laser and measures the scattered light to probe vibrations. What we get is the molecular bonding, carbon quality, stress strain, etc. Another important technique is the XPS, X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy. It gives us information about the surface elements and their oxidation states. The FTIR, Fourier Transform Infrared Spectroscopy. It gives us information about the functional groups and bonding nature. Finally, the BET, Brunner-Emmett-Teller. It measures the nitrogen gas adsorption at liquid nitrogen temperature. What we get is the surface area in meters square per gram, the pore size and pore volume. High BET value means more active sites for catalysis. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your support and being part of our channel. If you like our videos, please make sure to like and subscribe it. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.